𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐃 Mansoori completed his graduation with a BSc in 2015. He worked in non-IT field but he wanted to change his career to the IT field, so he joined STAD Solution to become a certified software tester. Let's hear from him.
Hello, myself 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐃 Mansoori. I have completed my graduation in 2015 in BSc Fire and Safety, and I am having 5 years experience in a non-technical background. One day I decided to switch my career in IT field, but as I'm a non-technical person, so I was in a confusion that in which field will be suitable for me. So I started researching and I come to the software testing, that it is not requiring coding knowledge and all. So I decided to switch my career in IT field with the software testing field. But I was in a search of a proper and genuine training that with whom I can learn from the beginning, as I am totally non-technical person. So one day I got the reference for the STAD Solutions from one of my friends who is already working as a QA in Ahmedabad city. So when I came here and met with Ajay sir, and they let me understand that what is the procedure and all that things. And I found that that will be a best place for me to learn from beginning. And I have learned so many technical things that as being a non-technical person, I was not even aware about the bug and all that things. But faculties, they let us understand in a very layman language so that everyone can understand. And they have also shared the real-time scenarios. At that time, they were working with the industry as a software tester. And I learned here like how to test static websites, dynamic websites, mobile apps, web apps, and all that, which are comes under the technical things. And apart from it, I also learned so many non-technical things like how to prepare ourselves for the interviews, how to go for the interviews, and what to do and what not to do in the interviews, and all how to be confident and all that things, and how to write our resume being a software tester and all that things, which I learned from the STAD Solutions. And the best faculties they are having, and they are providing, they're serving the best with their knowledge, best possible knowledge. And they have also shared real-time scenarios with the industries with whom they have worked. Thank you so much.